Tower, Cessna 52070 in the run-up short of 26 right. We're ready to go right crosswind to Ontario Airport.
Cessna 52070, Chino Tower, pull up 2, hold short, runway 26 right, traffic departing.
Pull up 2 and hold short of runway 26 right for Cessna 070. Alright, pull up and hold short. Do not cross the bars.
Cessna 0 Yankee, contact SoCal departure.
Cessna departure 0 Yankee.
Cessna 070, right turnout approved, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, right turnout approved for Cessna 070. Alright, we're cleared to go, the runway's clear. Alright, runway is clear, we're cleared to go. Check. There's the center line, there's the one stock, there's the crosswind here. There we go. Heater down. There we go. The engine instruments are good. Airspeed's coming alive. 40, 50, 5, thumbs up. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb. Okay, at or below 2,000.
Tower, good evening. FedEx 3727 Heavy is ILS 26 left.
FedEx 3727 Heavy, Ontario Tower. Good evening, wind 260 at 8, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, FedEx 3727 Heavy.
Cessna 070, radar contact for South Ontario Airport. Cross midfield, make right traffic, runway 26 right, and stay altitude.
070, I think we're at 1,900. We'll cross midfield and make right traffic for 26 right for 070.
Traffic, 2 mile final landing runway 26 left, heavy Boeing 767, report traffic in sight.
070, we're looking for the traffic on final.
And Cessna 070, traffic half mile final, heavy Boeing 767, report traffic in sight.
070, traffic in sight.
Cessna 070, maintain visual separation from the heavy Boeing 767, caution wake turbulence, runway 26 right, clear touch and go, right close traffic approved.
Clear touch and go, right. Close traffic approved. We'll use caution from the wake turbulence on the heavy 767 for Cessna 070. Okay, Tower, just to confirm, clear touch and go 26 right for Cessna 070.
Cessna 070, that is correct. Runway 26 right, clear touch and go, and then left, or correction, left close traffic approved.
Okay, clear touch and go 26 right, and then left close traffic approved for Cessna 070.
FedEx 3727 Heavy, turn left taxiway Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er, and have a good day.
Foxtrot ground point 9, FedEx 3727 Heavy.
Okay, runway's clear. Look good. Markings look good. 65 all the way. Hold it up.
Tower Southwest 1372 is with you, ILS 26 right.
Southwest 1372, Ontario Tower. Good afternoon, wind 260 at 8, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Southwest 1372.
And tower for 070, you still want us to do left close traffic?
Cessna 070, affirmative. Make left close traffic.
Cessna 070 will make left close traffic.
Cessna 070, left crosswind, approve your discretion.
Left crosswind for our discretion for Cessna 070.
Cessna 070, traffic, 6 mile final, landing runway 26 right, Boeing 737. Runway 26 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 26 left, we're looking for the traffic for the right for Cessna 070. And Cessna 070, we can do a short approach if that'll help at all.
Cessna 070, approved.
70 approved.
Southwest 1372, traffic left downwind, about to turn left base for runway 26 left, Cessna 172.
Alright, we're looking Southwest 1372.
Yeah, 070 has the southwest on the right.
Southwest 070, roger sir. Southwest 1372, Cessna 172, approaching over the numbers now, runway 26 left.
Southwest 1372.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey holding short of 26 left, ready for takeoff.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey, Ontario Tower, roger. It'll be about 1 more minute.
Okay.
Up to up, here we go. Here's airspeed. 55, nose up. Okay, engine instruments are good, positive rate of climb.
Gulfstream 83 Charlie Whiskey, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left, 3 Charlie Whiskey.
Cessna 070, traffic departing runway 26 left, Gulfstream, report traffic in sight.
Gulfstream traffic in sight departing the left for Cessna 070.
Cessna 070, maintain visual separation from the Gulfstream, caution wave turbulence, runway 26 left, clear touch and go.
Runway 26 left, clear touch and go, we'll maintain visual separation and caution on the wake for Cessna 070. And tower 070, request early left crosswind.
Cessna 070, say again?
Request an early left crosswind for 070.
070 approved.
070, early left crosswind approved, thanks.
Ontario Tower, get up center, Southwest 1289, ILS 26 right.
Southwest 1289 Ontario Tower, traffic left downwind, landing runway 26 left, Cessna 172, wind 24010, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 right, Southwest 1289.
Cessna 070, do you want a short approach or do you want to continue eastbound reference to Boeing 737 on a 5 mile final?
Cessna 070, we can make the short approach for 26 left.
Cessna 070, make short approach, runway 26 left, clear touch and go, wind 24010, traffic 5 mile final.
Make short approach for 26 left for 070, we're looking for that traffic. And Cessna 070 has the southwest left 26 right.
Cessna 070, roger.
Airspace alive. 5. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Morning, Ontario, South 440. We're 10 out for 26 left.
Southwest 440, Ontario Tower. Good afternoon, wind 220 at 8, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, South 440.
Cessna 070, fly right close traffic this time around.
070, fly right close traffic for Cessna 070. And tower just confirmed, Cessna 070, clear touch and go, runway 26 right.
Cessna 070, that is correct, runway 26 right, clear touch and go, left crosswind for Chino approved.
Clear touch and go, runway 26 right, and left crosswind over to Chino for Cessna 070.
Southwest 440, continue down the runway, turn right, taxiway, Kilo, hold short of runway 26 right, remain this frequency, landing traffic.
Okay, right turn on Kilo and hold short 26 right, Southwest 440.
Okay, gonna have a left crosswind, so we're gonna stay above this flight path. Got the mails are going, nice. 65, all the way. Runway is clear. Southwest is holding for us. Yeah, a little bit of a left crosswind. Stay above his way. Airspeed 55. Airspeed. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb.
Southwest 440 cross, runway 26 right, turn right, taxiway, November, contact ground point 9er, and have a good day.
Okay, cross 26 right, join November and contact ground Southwest 440, good day.
UPS 2914 heavies with you on the ILS 26 left.
UPS 2914 Heavy, Ontario Tower, good evening, 1230 out 12, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, UPS 2914 heavy.
Cessna 070, contact Chino Tower, 118.5, and have a good day.
070 over to 118.5. Thanks for the help today. Chino Tower, good afternoon, Cessna 52070, with you out of 2200, just departed Ontario Airport, down for landing with Whiskey.
Cessna 52070, Chino Tower, Ontario, right base, 126 right, clear to land, wind 23011, altimeter 2977.
Make a right base, clear for runway 26 right, or clear to land runway 26 right for Cessna 070. And tower, to confirm Cessna 070, clear to land runway 26 right.
Cessna 070, affirmative, runway 26 right, wind 2309er.
Clear to land runway 26 right for Cessna 070, thanks for the wind. Okay, Caltrans is going off on the left, or on the right? 20 Charlie Alpha, nice sir. clear. Boeing looks good, guys.
Bonanza 0 Charlie Alpha contact, Cisco, departure, good flight.
Bonanza 20 Charlie, thanks for the help. Have a good evening.
You too.
Hold it on.
Cessna 070, turn right, continue down, turn right at hotel. Turn right at hotel, then Alpha Juliet parking.
Okay, we'll continue down to hotel and then right at Alpha.
Boeing 20 Mike Papa Chino, ground runway 26 left, taxi via Alpha Papa, cross runway 21.
And Tower 070, did you say you wanted us to stay with you right at Alpha, then left on Juliet?
Cessna 070, affirmative, you with me, and taxi Alpha Juliet parking.
Alpha Juliet to parking for Cessna 070, stay with you. Okay, we're good. 727's going out, nice, check that out.